Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy TJ Kumas here. It's been a minute, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but we're back, and we're back with a nice banger for y'all today. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So, you guys already know Kai, my dog, so he needs a job, and his time frame, he needed to find it in a week. For some of you guys might be like, what the hell? But that's just the situation he was in. So, as one of his close friends, I had to help him, or I wanted to help him. So he went applying to all the jobs near him. But Kai doesn't also have a car, so for him to find a job close to him is pretty hard, if we're just being honest. So he applied to all the close jobs that like were walking distance, and that's it. But he doesn't think he's gonna get in. So I decided to help him find an online job. And this is where I got the idea, yo, let me show you guys what I did back in high school to make some extra money, take a girl out on a nice date. All right? So I'm going to give you guys the secrets today. Anybody could do it. All you need is a laptop and some Wi-Fi, of course. And that's it. You don't need any experience in nothing. And let's get straight into it. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and like this video right now and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think after the video is done down in the comment section below. If you guys want more videos like this, I enjoy making them. And I think you guys like them too. And I'll just keep putting out this content. So let me know down below. So step number one from making money at home is you're going to type names and phrases. You guys might be like, what the heck are you talking about, TJ? And I'm going to tell you guys right now. Let's get into it. So you guys see I'm on this website called Squadhelp. I don't know how they created that name because it deals nothing with any of the actual content on the website. But I don't matter. It don't matter. So what you're going to be doing is you're just going to literally type names for companies and type phrases and just help them create their brand, basically. And it has to be names that aren't taken or like trademarked or whatever. So the way it works is they create contests for certain brands that need their name or their phrase. And you just apply, like you enter a good name you think the brand fits or whatever. So for right here, you'll see $400 if you name a leadership coaching and consulting business. $350 for a new product line for a cool appliance brand. Like you see, and you see the entries they have in all this. So it's all just you enter in a contest and then you win the prize amount if you win. And you could do like, you can sort it out, filter it all good. But I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's going to be hard starting out because you have no ratings. But there is opportunity for you. If you keep working your way up, you will definitely be one of the top tier winners. So let's go to the leaderboard right quick, just so I can show you how much you can truly make off this. Now we're at the leaderboard. And you see this girl, Lido, Dino, whatever her name is, she has won in the last month 7 times. She's ranked first right now. I'm not going to lie, this girl has been in the leaderboard, top of the leaderboard for like 10 years straight. And the site's only been up for, I'm pretty sure, like 2 years. But that's how much she's been on the top of the leaderboard. Like, she's created this as a full-time income. But look at how much she has made off of 7 winnings. $59,000. I told you guys you're going to make $50 an hour. That's crazy. But when you go to her actual name, look it. I'm serious. This is how I eat and pay bills. This is her life. You can make an income off this. You just have to be committed to creating companies' names. That's it. But if you guys don't like that, I got a better option for you. This one requires a little bit of expertise, and it's one of my favorites. It's Freelancing. Now, perfect site, Fiverr. Fiverr, you freelance whatever you want. You could teach people how to play a certain video game if that's what you want to do. Look, like, let's look up Call of Duty coach. Look how many people are going to pop up. Okay, look it. I will Call of Duty coach. Look at this guy doesn't even sound proper. I will be your coach on Call of Duty. $5. $5 still $5. You make $5 for teaching a kid how to be trash at Call of Duty. Come on. Money right there. And then the other site is Upwork. Upwork is more, I don't use it as much as Fiverr because Fiverr is just super simple, easy, put it out for $5. But you can do freelance people's for writing, web design, marketing. This one's more of the professional side, but Fiverr is definitely the way to go if you have any type of expertise in anything, just put it on there. You never know if somebody's gonna actually buy into it. Number 3, I gotta say, blogs. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, blogs are not gonna make money starting out. But if you put your time into the blog, it'll finally come out with some income. I've seen many that have come out with income because it's all about ads. But nobody wants to put an ad on somebody's blog that's the first day. You want to be consistently posting everything like that. We're going to show you part of the TJ crew, Kai's blog. So his is called the Escobar Times. You guys see his logo right there. And it's sports, travel, and much more. He kept it nice and simple with the little hustle cup there. Now you see his poster right here. He talks about the return of Conor McGregor, the highlight of Paris. He said next he's going to be doing Kobe, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys want the site, it's right there. Kelscobar333.wix. Boom. He's putting out content, and eventually he's going to start making an income off of it. And if not, he's going to use that for his future career in journalism. So no matter what, it's still going to make you money if you think about it. Number 4, selling items online or flipping. So you guys got Craigslist here, and a way to flip, you go on Craigslist, go to wherever you're located, and they got literally free in your location. So you see something you like, you grab it for free, duh, and you put it on to sell on eBay or Etsy, man. Obviously, you could sell on much more. We have Amazon, we have stinking OfferUp. OfferUp is perfect if you don't want to pay for shipping. There's so many different ways you could just sell items online. Selling from your phone to your tablet to your computer. It's super simple to sell stuff online now. Selling stuff online, you don't have to go get free stuff like this and go flip it, or go to a garage sale like I do and go flip it. No, you could just sell whatever you have in your house and just do that. You're going to make some type of income. I'll show you guys actually an income I've made in the last 3 days. I think I posted something and I got an income, and that's the income I made off of it. I'll just show you. And if you guys even have a talent like for drawing or something, you guys could put that on Etsy. Etsy's perfect. I would recommend Etsy for more handmade stuff than eBay and Amazon and all that, because eBay and Amazon and all that is more like production made stuff. Number 5, you can go on this website right here, clarity.fm, and they will pay you for literally just going on the phone with somebody who needs help on making a website. People will call you, and each minute you could charge a certain amount of money. So let's go to real quick to browse. Look at this. I can get top tier PR media exposure for my company for free. $8.33 per minute. Super simple. You just on the phone with a guy. Yeah. You could just BS it too, I'm pretty sure. I mean, he might want to get his money back, but I'm making money off of it. How to grow a profitable e-commerce business. You go on there, you tell them, yo, just make sure you're on social media, make sure you're doing this and that. It'll be a minute, you make $2. If the guy hangs up within a minute, you still make $2. Come on. Perfect. So look at this. Super easy. This guy literally has save thousands developing early stage tech startups. $3.33 per minute. It's super simple and easy. So just giving your advice is another way you can make money just through a phone call. So it's super simple and easy. Now we'll go on to number 6, teaching English. Most of us know English, and if not, you could teach your native language too. Cambly. Now the point of the website is you're just gonna teach someone English, but not the like teaching and student type of way. You're gonna just have a conversation with the person, and they're gonna practice their English, and you just answer back pretty much. For both of them, you do have to apply to become like a teacher, but if you want to make money at home and you can't find a job near you, this is perfect. Teaching English, that's your native language, can't get any better than that. Now on to number 7, my personal favorite way of making money. This is where I made $50 in a matter of literally 20 minutes. And I could have kept on going, but I had homework to do. This is the easiest, most simple way. I highly recommend it to anybody. Website testing. And I'm not going to go through 20 websites. Nah, we're going through one site in general. User testing. User testing is super simple and easy to use. What they do is they give you surveys, which will basically decide whether you are fit for the website to test or not. Now, I get mad at some of them sometimes because, like, I know I'm on the last question, and that last question decides whether I don't or do get it. And I don't get it, it makes me mad, I'm not going to lie. But when I do get it, when I do get one site, it's like from there they start rolling in and you start getting like 3 sites back to back to back. And that's how you can make like fast money. Let's say you got a date tomorrow, maybe go on user testing right quick. And the great thing about it is you just leave it open. That's what you have to do. You just leave it open on a tab while you're like watching YouTube videos, playing your game, whatever. You just leave it open. And then once you hear a ding, that means sites are like rolling in, like tests you could do are rolling in. And that's when you have to do the surveys to see if you qualify. And then, boom. Now, I'm just going to show you. Oh, no. I'm just going to show you guys some completed tests. You guys see it right here. Paid, 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 paid. So, my personal favorite, website testing on usertesting.com. Link will be down in the description below for all these sites I'm giving out. Just know that. And if you guys have any questions for me, just let me know down below. Now, we're going to veer off of websites and we're going to go more towards an app. And I'll put a screen recording of the app actually up now too. And this is the Steady app. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's one of those that had an advertisement and I didn't believe it. I'm going to be honest, I thought it was like BS. But I downloaded the app because it was like a perfect time, kind of needed a job and everything. And I saw I didn't have to sign up, so I didn't sign up, and I looked for jobs. And it showed me jobs that were actually hiring near me, but they also have a tab that says work at home. And they have stuff that you can do that are super simple to work at home. They have survey testing, which is like super easy. That's kind of part of user testing. But they also have, you do writing, freelancing, other different things that you could just do at home. And it's perfect. I would advise if anybody wants to work at home, use that app. It's not going to give you like 1,000 jobs that you could do at home, but it's going to give you some things you could do at home that pay. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I do have way more ideas that I can give you, but I don't know. I think we had a lot for the video today. I think we'll just end it off on that. Now, if you guys have any questions, you guys let me know down in the description below. If you guys haven't, go check out the merch. The merch is finally dropped. It's down in the description below as well. And it's also under the big banner that you guys see. I made a new banner and everything. So merch has officially dropped. It's lit. Go check it out. Kai already got his. He's wearing, he's rocking it. A bunch of people already got theirs in. So be part of the TJ crew officially and go buy your merch. It supports me. And if you guys haven't already, subscribe, like the video. And if you guys want to see a part 2, get me to at least 200 likes. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.